Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura NF4 here. So this machine just came in for a tune-up, so I removed the brew unit in here, disassembled it and cleaned it, lubricated the brew unit and reassembled the machine. I then descaled and deep cleaned the machine with coffee cleaner. And that's about it for this repair. So just wanted to show you here, there's the gasket that I took out of the brew unit as well. I replaced that with a brand new lubricated gasket, and now I'm just going to pull a shot to show you that everything is working. So let's choose here, this one. Alright, there's our shot of espresso. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.